Hello everyone and welcome back to Zaclit Educational Channel. So this is a very shocking news coming from the Ministry of Education that the UGC NET June 2024 examination is cancelled now. Yes, this shocking news is coming from the tweet of the Ministry of Education. So let's read the tweet first and know what's happening in there. So government is committed to ensure the sanctity of the examinations and protect the interest of the students. So the Ministry of Education has decided that UGC NET June 2024 examination be cancelled on the basis of inputs from the India Cyber Crime Coordination Center. So the Cyber Crime Coordination Center has given some hint to the NTA UGC that there have been something compromised. That's why this examination is cancelled now under the Ministry of Home Affairs, prima facie indicating that the integrity of the examination may have been compromised. So examination was not fairly conducted this time, which was conducted on 18th of June 2024. So we all were worried why this time OMR sheet is happening after the online mode. So this thing has come into the picture that maybe I think it has been compromised the integrity of the examination. That's why it is mentioned fresh examination shall be conducted for which information shall be shared separately. So they have not given any dates for the fresh examination, but they have given that surety that fresh examination will be conducted. Matter being handed over to CBI now. So it is in the highest investigation bureau of our country. So the matter will be taken care of by the CBI, and they have also given a link press release also. We can go and check there. So let's go and check the press release about this cancellation of the examination. So this is the press release coming from the Ministry of Education. Cancellation of UGC NET June 2024 examination posted on 19th of June 2024 at 10:02 p.m. So the National Testing Agency conducted the UGC NET June 2024 examination in the OMR, that is pen and paper mode, on 18th of June 2024 in 2 shifts across different cities of the country. So in one day they conducted all the papers. So that was the doubt which we all were having, how they will conduct easily. So it was not at all easy because there were something. Because of that the examination has been cancelled out. So on 19th June 2024 UGC received certain inputs from the National Cyber Crime Threat Analytics Unit of India Cyber Crime Coordination Center 14C under the Ministry of Home Affairs on the examination. So these inputs prima facie indicate that the integrity of the aforesaid examination may have been compromised. To ensure the highest level of transparency and sanctity of the examination process, the Ministry of Education, Government of India has decided that UGC NET June 2024 examination be cancelled. So a fresh examination shall be conducted for which information shall be shared separately. Simultaneously, the matter is being handed over to the CBI for thorough investigation in the matter. So same tweet thing they have mentioned here. And also after that NEET examination, there was also an issue going on for the UG 2024 examination. So these things are making a lot of problem for the candidates, those who are preparing not for 6 months or 1 year, those who are preparing for 2 years, 3 years. So the cancellation of the examination is not a good symbol, but you should not lose hope because you have prepared and your preparation will not go waste. So just wait for the next announcement when the re-examination will be conducted. So maybe it is that the God is telling you that there are some of the lacuna which you are having. So wait till the next notice is having in our website. So this is the thing which I wanted to tell you. Don't lose hope. Don't get disheartened. So next time you can perform better than this time, because this time the results were not also announced. The answer keys were not announced. So you no need to worry about this thing. It is cancelled for all the candidates. If you have performed well, you can do much better in the next time. If you haven't performed well, there is the time to perform well in the next examination. You can brush up your revision. You can correct your mistakes. So don't lose hope. See you guys in our next video. Till then, keep smiling and believe in yourself.